So following on from the previous video, we've established that anything in this interval, the series will converge. So now we need to check what happens when it's dead on 5/2, and what happens when it's dead on 7/2. So when x equals 5/2, so when x equals 5/2, we would put this into the x here, That will then give us this. Take away 3, take away 3. So this thing here will be a half, negative a half. So here you've got a fraction multiplying this block here. This block gets multiplied to the top. But then notice that to the power of n, to the power of n. If I were to give you this to the power of n, you would do a to the power of n, b to the power of n. So looking at this, you simply get 2 times this thing here. 2 times negative a half, which would be negative 1. So this here you should recognize. We've done this many times. You should by now recognize that this is going to converge. Okay, because p series greater than 1. So now when x equals 7/2, we would put this into the x here. So 7/2, take away 3, take away 3. So that this thing here will then become positive, will then become positive a half. So now this thing timesing a fraction, it gets multiplied to the top. So it's simply getting this times this, which will be 1. So here you should recognize that this is going to converge. So what we've got so far is dead on 5/2. Dead on 5/2, we know is going to converge. Dead on 7/2, we know is going to converge. So the radius of convergence, here, the radius of convergence is a half, centered at 3, and the interval would be including 5/2 and including 7/2. So anything in between here and including here and here, this series will converge. Okay.